Our project is titled as Swadeshi Samriddhi Hub. The Swadeshi Samriddhi Hub combines a goal of self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, with the preservation and commercialization of indigenous ideas and traditional knowledge. Swadeshi. The platform will serve as a digital bridge connecting the traditional knowledge with modern entrepreneurship and markets. Its objective is to develop a digital platform that documents and achieves India's traditional crafts, agricultural and medicinal knowledge, empowers rural entrepreneurs, farmers, artisans, etc. to start, grow and manage businesses based on this traditional knowledge, connects these entrepreneurs directly with investors, mentors, markets and government schemes.
Our project idea, the Swadeshi Samriddhi Hub, web or application will function as a one-step digital solution with two core integrated components. Firstly, the Traditional Knowledge Library, also known as the Knowledge Wing, a digital archive that showcases traditional knowledge, Ayurveda, handloom, herbal farming, etc., translated into simple educational formats. And secondly, Entrepreneurship Platform, the Commerce Wing, a marketplace and business support hub for rural entrepreneurs to commercialize products inspired by the Knowledge Wing. The key components required here are some hardware such as laptop or desktop for web app development and hosting. Secondly, server or cloud hosting, example AWS or Google Cloud. Smartphone or tablet for testing and user access. Internet connection and Raspberry Pi, a village kiosk access. The software used here as front-end HTML, CSS, React.js and Flutter for interface, backend Python, Django, Flask. Databases used here are MySQL, MongoDB, Firebase for storing entrepreneur data and traditional knowledge records. The AI tool used here are TensorFlow or Skitlearn for recommendation engine. The APIs used here are UPI, Payments API, Government Scheme API, Language Transition API, Search Engine, Elasticsearch for fast keyboard search.
Now I would like to talk about the integrated working principle. We have the user registration for entrepreneurs, investors, mentors and student registers. Then we have the knowledge exploration for students and entrepreneurs, and they access the traditional knowledge library to learn about the various indigenous practices. For example, we could have specific herbal medicine, organic farming techniques and maybe regional crafts. We are also having content in multiple regional languages. Then we have business support hub. Here, entrepreneurs list their products and business ideas. For example, handmade soaps based on Ayurvedic recipes or handloom textiles. The platform provides training videos on business planning, digital marketing, and modern application of traditional methods. Next, we have AI matching and recommendations. Here, the AI system matches the entrepreneurs with relevant investors, filtering industry or funding, for example, and government schemes like funding for women and entrepreneurs and micro food processing. A new feature here is that AI can also suggest specific traditional knowledge from the library that an entrepreneur could use to enhance or innovate their product. Example, suggesting a different natural dye for a weaver. Next, we have the marketplace and logistics. Here, entrepreneurs showcase their products to buyers and investors through a virtual exhibition, and the platform supports online orders and UPI payments and partners with logistics and delivery. Next, the analytics. Entrepreneurs track their growth, order, and engagement.
Benefits of this project. Firstly, it promotes self-reliance, directly empowers rulers, artisans and workers to access national and global market. Secondly, it preserves heritage, keeps old traditions, culture and wisdom safe for the future. Next, economic and cultural fusion. It creates new entrepreneurs who are proud of India's culture and earn from it. Next, it reduces migration. By giving people local job opportunities, they can work in their own area. Lastly, it supports national missions like Digital India, Startup India, and Skill India, etc.
An example in this case to demonstrate the working of the app could be take a handloom weaver from Assam who wants to modernize her craft. She uses the knowledge wing of the hub to learn about traditional organic dyeing techniques from a different region of India. She then registers her business on the commerce wing, listing her uniquely dyed textiles. The AI recommendation system then connects her with a buyer who especially filters for eco-friendly textiles and a government scheme for MSME working in handicrafts. She secures a bulk order and becomes self-reliant, embodying both Swadeshi and Atmanirbhar Bharat.